The 2026 Toyota Noah brings a fresh take on the family minivan, combining sleek design, advanced technology, and practical functionality. On the outside, it stands out with a modern, refined appearance. LED headlights seamlessly connect to a bold grille, giving the vehicle a premium look while sharp body lines add a subtle sense of sportiness. Large windows allow plenty of natural light inside, and the dual sliding doors make entry and exit effortless for passengers of all ages. The alloy wheels feature a dynamic design that complements the overall styling, making the Noah look just as good parked in the driveway as it does on the road. Its exterior is clearly designed to appeal to families who want practicality without sacrificing style. Inside, the Noah emphasizes comfort, space, and versatility. The cabin is roomy enough to accommodate families with ease, and high-quality materials cover the dashboard, seats, and trim, creating a refined and welcoming atmosphere. Seating is thoughtfully designed for long trips, with second and third row seats that fold or slide to maximize cargo space. Technology plays a central role, with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless connectivity. Multiple USB ports, a premium audio system, and a digital driver display keep passengers connected and entertained. Additional touches like ambient lighting, tri-zone climate control, and intuitive storage solutions enhance convenience, making every journey comfortable for all occupants. The performance of the 2026 Noah caters to both efficiency and responsiveness. The 1.8L hybrid system combines a 2ZRF-XE engine with an electric motor, offering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy, perfect for city commuting or long-distance travel. For those who prefer a traditional engine, the 2.0L direct injection dynamic force engine provides reliable power and responsive handling. Despite its size, the Noah drives with stability and confidence, and the suspension absorbs road imperfections well, ensuring a comfortable ride. The hybrid version also features regenerative braking, which enhances efficiency and helps reduce emissions without compromising performance. Safety is a strong focus, with the Noah equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, including pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and parking sensors add extra layers of protection, making city driving and highway travel safer for everyone. The vehicle's reinforced body structure and strategically placed airbags provide comprehensive occupant protection in the event of a collision, giving peace of mind to families on the road. The Noah stands out in its segment for several unique reasons. Its combination of hybrid efficiency, spacious and flexible interior, and advanced safety features makes it a practical yet premium choice for families. Features like dual sliding doors, a quiet cabin, and an intuitive infotainment system cater perfectly to modern family needs. Toyota's reputation for reliability and an impressive warranty further enhance the Noah's appeal, making it a vehicle that is not only stylish and comfortable but also dependable over the long term. Pricing for the 2026 Noah is competitive and reflects the value it offers. The hybrid variant is reasonably priced for its class, providing advanced technology, comfort, and safety without breaking the bank. The 2.0L engine option is slightly lower in cost while still including most of the premium features, making it a practical alternative for buyers seeking balance between performance and price. Overall, the Noah delivers excellent value, offering a combination of efficiency, versatility, and quality that families will appreciate. The 2026 Toyota Noah is a well-rounded minivan that delivers on design, comfort, performance, and safety. Whether navigating city streets or heading out on a family road trip, it provides a reliable, stylish, and practical solution. With modern technology, a spacious interior, and efficient hybrid power, the Noah redefines the family minivan experience, ensuring every journey is both enjoyable and worry-free. It represents a thoughtful blend of innovation, comfort, and dependability that makes it a standout choice for today's families.